coins. Shit, my bad. Energies. Code card. Sleeves. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Energy. Indeed. What the hell? Tower Water. Spoink. Mr. Mine. Scatterbug. Yamper. Lickitung. Okay, here we go. What is it? It's nothing. Yeah, it's not bad. Emerald. Reverse that. Boom. Next one. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Seadra. Weepinbell. Experience share. Percharisu. Chimichao. Ooh, I see something. I see something, guys. I have my headphones on, so I don't know if y'all can hear me, but Mikey. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth, guys. Got the Pharaoh. Ooh, what is it, baby? Oh, shit. Hold on. What was the VMAX? Yes, baby. Give me that VMAX, bro. Oh, I have this one. Oh, well. Tapu Coco. VMAX. Not bad. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao. Alright, so we got first VMAX, 2 reverse, 1 hollow. Next one. I think I got something. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, got something, guys. Here's another one. Energy. Pigment. Wait, is that the... Oh, it is the evolved form of Tepig. Did not know that. Baltoy. Timber. Corpish. Cacnea. Mawile. Here we go. Moment of truth again. Sandaconda evolves into a fucking full art trainer. That's what I'm fucking talking about. And it's a secret rare. 176 out of 163. Come on, bro. Boom. Let's go. Fuck out of here. Mr. Mustard, Colonel Mustard. Rapid Strike. Let's fucking go, guys. Bella Ciao, Bella Ciao, Bella Ciao. Look at that. Here we go. Added to my rainbow collection, bruh. Alright, next one. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing. Korea's Focus. Perulu. Hongkro. Zubats. Remoraid. Onyx. Mawa again. Truby. Luxray Baby. What you got? Nothing. Victory Bell. Okay, not bad. Got 2 big hits out of the ETBs. So still coming up. No worries. Oh, shit. There we go. Alright, guys. Did I get something? No, nothing. Energy. Girder. Durant. I like the buzz. Baltoy. Gligar. Salanit. Bronzor. Balton. And Salazzle. Alright. Blip, blip, blip. Nothing. Energy. Be sharp. Can't be care. Blip bug again. Silicobra. Houndor. Oh. Houndor. Bigotop. Horsey. Hone Edge. And a Conquador. 2 more packs. 2 more packs. Which one should I do? It's kind of light. Let's do this one. Oh, fuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably Tower of Darkness, Scatterbug, Cubo, Macro, Tepig, the fuck, Tepig, Hone Edge, another Rapid Strike, and what you got? Ooh, here we go. What is it, baby? Give me something. Give me something good. It's a V. Oh, freaking Victini. Victini. Nowhere else to leave your ass. Last pack magic, guys. Last pack magic. Ooh. Joe's heavy. more. Hit more. It looked like a freaking bow. Put the tree in there and you just suck from his... Give me Spunk. Roly-Coly. That's Finish. Esper. There we go. Moment of truth. What is it? Ooh. It's a full art too, guys. Let's see what it is. What is it? It's a VMAX. Oh, it's a fucking VMAX. Oh no, it's a V. Fuck. Oh, it's not bad. I don't have this one yet. Not bad, not bad. It's not bad, not bad. What up, Grand Line? Nothing much, just cracked up ETB. This is what I got from the Battle Styles ETB. Full art Urshifu V. I think, is it a secret? No, it's not a secret. Got a secret Colonel Mustard. It's pretty sick. Got the VMAX Tapu Koko. And that's pretty much it. That's all I got from the ETBs tonight. It's not bad, not bad. It's not a bad hit from 8 packs. 8 packs right here. Yeah, he's pretty sick. Also, this is the final evolution of Tepe. It's not bad. ETB. ETB. With this rainbow art though. Definitely gonna add him to my collection of rainbow arts. Boom. Cool. Yes, thank you. It was super, super good. I wasn't expecting that much, to be honest. I was expecting like a couple Vs, and that's it. But got a VMAX, Secret Rare, all 3 full arts, 1 V, and 1 regular holo. This is pretty sick. Yep. Boom, boom, boom. This is definitely the hit for tonight. Rapid Strike. All right, guys. Thanks for hopping on. Just opened up the Battle Style single strike. Let's leave these real quick. Put this over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. All right, thanks for joining. I'm about to save this live. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Deuces. Keep calm out. How do I do this? X and